Hello, everyone. Welcome to Product Review. I'm Kois. Today, we will talk about Top 5 Electric Egg Cooker Boiler. Number 5. Upgrade your breakfast game with the Chefman Electric Egg Cooker Boiler, a versatile appliance designed to simplify your morning routine. With its rapid egg-making capabilities and multifunctional features, this cooker is a game-changer for busy individuals and culinary enthusiasts alike. Capable of cooking up to 12 eggs at once, the Chefman Electric Egg Cooker ensures you're always prepared, whether you're feeding a crowd or meal prepping for the week ahead. With options for hard or soft-boiled eggs, poaching, and omelets, this appliance offers endless possibilities to cater to your breakfast preferences. Gone are the days of monitoring pots and pans on the stove. The Chefman Electric Egg Cooker takes the guesswork out of egg cooking with its ready signal feature. Simply set the desired cooking time, and the cooker will alert you when your eggs are perfectly cooked and ready to enjoy. But the Chefman Electric Egg Cooker isn't limited to just eggs. With its food and vegetable steaming capabilities, you can also enjoy steamed veggies, dumplings, and more, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Safety and health are top priorities, and the Chefman Electric Egg Cooker is crafted from BPA-free materials, ensuring your meals are not only delicious, but also safe to consume. Its sleek ivory design adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen countertop, while its compact size makes it easy to store when not in use. In conclusion, the Chefman Electric Egg Cooker Boiler is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their breakfast experience. With its rapid cooking capabilities, versatility, and user-friendly features, it's the perfect companion for busy mornings and leisurely brunches alike. Say goodbye to breakfast stress and hello to perfectly cooked eggs with the Chef. Number 4. Simplify your breakfast routine with the Elite Gourmet Easy Electric Egg Cooker, a versatile appliance designed to cater to your egg cooking needs. Featuring a sleek and compact design, this cooker is a game-changer for busy mornings and lazy brunches alike. With a 7-egg capacity, the Elite Gourmet Easy Electric Egg Cooker ensures you have plenty of perfectly cooked eggs to enjoy, whether you prefer poached eggs, fluffy omelets, or soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs. This cooker has you covered. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to consistent results every time. The auto shut-off feature and built-in buzzer make cooking eggs a breeze. Simply set the cooker and let it do the work for you. No more worrying about overcooking or undercooking. This appliance takes the stress out of egg cooking, leaving you with more time to savor your meal. Made from BPA-free materials, the Elite Gourmet Easy Electric Egg Cooker prioritizes safety and health. Its compact size and lightweight construction make it easy to store when not in use, while its sleek design adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen countertop. In conclusion, the Elite Gourmet Easy Electric Egg Cooker is a must-have for anyone who loves eggs and values convenience. With its versatility, efficiency, and user-friendly features, it simplifies the cooking process, allowing you to enjoy delicious, perfectly cooked eggs with ease. Say goodbye to breakfast stress and hello to flavorful eggs every time with the Elite Gourmet Easy Electric. Number 3. Introducing the Elite Gourmet EGC1405W, a 2-tiered marvel that simplifies the art of egg cooking. With its sleek white design and multifunctional features, this egg cooker is a game-changer for breakfast enthusiasts and busy individuals alike. Equipped with a 14-egg capacity, the Elite Gourmet EGC1405W ensures you have enough perfectly cooked eggs to fuel your day. Whether you crave poached eggs, fluffy omelets, or soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs, this appliance delivers consistent results with minimal effort. The 2-tiered design maximizes cooking efficiency, allowing you to cook different styles of egg simultaneously. Say goodbye to juggling multiple pots and pans. The Elite Gourmet EGC1405W streamlines your breakfast routine, leaving you with more time to enjoy your meal. With its auto shut-off feature and built-in buzzer, you can set it and forget it, knowing that your eggs will be cooked to perfection every time. No more worrying about overcooking or undercooking. This appliance takes the guesswork out of egg cooking, ensuring delicious results with every batch. Not only is the Elite Gourmet EGC1405W functional, but it's also BPA-free, making it a safe and healthy choice for your kitchen. Its compact size and lightweight construction make it easy to store when not in use, while its sleek design adds a touch of elegance to your countertop. In conclusion, the Elite Gourmet EGC1405W is a must-have for anyone who loves eggs and values convenience. With its versatility, efficiency, and user-friendly features, it simplifies the cooking process, allowing you to enjoy delicious, perfectly cooked eggs with ease. Say hello to stress-free mornings and flavorful breakfasts with the Elite Gourmet EGC1405W. Number 2. Revolutionize your kitchen with the Dash Deluxe Rapid Egg Cooker, a multifunctional appliance that goes beyond eggs to simplify your meal prep. With its sleek aqua design and versatile functionality, this kitchen essential is a game-changer for anyone seeking convenience without compromising on taste. Boasting a generous 12-egg capacity, the Dash Deluxe Rapid Egg Cooker is perfect for feeding a crowd or meal prepping for the week ahead. Whether you're craving hard-boiled eggs for a quick snack, poached eggs for a luxurious brunch, fluffy scrambled eggs for a hearty breakfast, or customized omelets to suit your tastes, this appliance delivers consistent results with ease. But the Dash Deluxe Rapid Egg Cooker doesn't stop at eggs. Its versatility extends to steaming vegetables, cooking dumplings, and more, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. With its auto shut-off feature, you can set it and forget it, knowing that your food will be cooked to perfection every time. User-friendly design is at the forefront of the Dash Deluxe Rapid Egg Cooker. Intuitive controls and a convenient measuring cup make operation a breeze, while the sleek aqua color adds a pop of style to your countertop. Cleanup is a snap, thanks to the dishwasher-safe parts, allowing you to spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. In conclusion, the Dash Deluxe Rapid Egg Cooker is a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their cooking routine. With its versatility, efficiency, and stylish design, it's the perfect companion for busy individuals and families alike. Say goodbye to kitchen stress and hello to delicious, nutritious meals. Number 1. The morning rush can often leave us sacrificing nutrition for convenience. But with the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker, enjoying a wholesome breakfast has never been easier. This compact yet versatile appliance is designed to streamline your morning routine, offering a hassle-free way to prepare a variety of egg dishes with minimal effort. Featuring a 6-egg capacity, the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker caters to your breakfast needs. Whether you prefer hard-boiled eggs, poached delights, fluffy scrambled eggs, or indulgent omelets, with just the push of a button, you can have perfectly cooked eggs in a matter of minutes, allowing you to start your day on the right foot. One of the standout features of the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is its auto shut-off feature, ensuring safety and preventing overcooking. This means you can set it and forget it, giving you peace of mind as you go about your morning routine. Not only is the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker efficient, but it's also incredibly easy to use, with intuitive controls and a simple measuring cup. Even those with limited culinary skills can whip up delicious egg dishes with confidence. The sleek white design of the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen, while its compact size means it won't take up valuable countertop space. Plus, its easy cleanup makes it perfect for busy mornings when time is of the essence. In conclusion, the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is a game-changer for anyone looking to simplify their breakfast routine. With its versatility, efficiency, and user-friendly design, it's the perfect solution for busy individuals and families alike. Say goodbye to breakfast stress and hello to delicious, nutritious eggs every morning. Thank you for watching this video.